How to change phone number on your Microsoft account. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to easily change or add a new phone number on your Microsoft account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let us jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have, and once you've done that, just search for Microsoft.com and make sure to log into your account. And once you're logged in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and simply head over to My Microsoft account. It will open up your account manager where you have complete access over your account. So in order to add a phone number, if you haven't added a phone number, it will be shown right here. So click on Add a Phone Number. And from here, what you can do is just click on Add Now. Once you've done that, just enter your phone number here. But if you don't see this option, that's alright as well. So what you can do is you can go back and then click on Your Info. And right here on Your Info, you'll have an option to add your phone number. So if I scroll down, as you can see here, the phone number option is blank. But if you already have a phone number and want to add another one, you could do that as well. So click on Edit Account Info. And once you've done that, click on Add Phone Number. Simply enter your phone number here. You could choose your country code from here and then click on Next. And once you've done that, you will get a code on your phone. Just enter that verification code and confirm your number. And once you have done that, you will be able to add your phone number successfully to your account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.